Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review a product which I purchased from Myntra. So let's start. This is the top जो मैंने Myntra से मंगाया है वो प्रिंटेड है विथ प्रिंटेड है इसमें ऑल्स in a black top. This is the back side. This is the front. This is the front side, and the material is cotton. It's very comfortable. If you like this, you can also buy from Myntra, and the price is 460. अभी प्राइस कितनी है पता नहीं, मे बी अभी अप है डाउन है, यू कैन चेक. मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी लिंक.